I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring crypto from your Kraken account to your bank can seem daunting, but it is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Start by logging into your Kraken account using your credentials. Ensure you have completed any necessary two-factor authentication for added security. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, go to the funding tab located in the main menu. This is where you can manage your deposits and withdrawals. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency to withdraw. In the withdrawals section, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Make sure you have enough balance to cover the amount you wish to send. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Input your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Double-check these details to avoid any errors, as incorrect information can delay the transfer. Note, if you're using a wire transfer, ensure your bank supports incoming wire transfers from crypto exchanges. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review all the details carefully and confirm the withdrawal. You may receive an email or notification to verify the transaction. And that's it. Once you complete these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Kraken support for assistance. Happy trading!